welcome to your tutorial on how to manage your categories. Now, your categories are in your posts. So once you log into your WordPress blog and you're in your dashboard, you want to look over to your left hand side. Under your post, you will see categories. Now you want to go ahead and click onto the categories, and you will have a section here where you can input a category name. So what is exactly the category? If you go to your blog, it is this area right here. It categorizes your post under each individual category name that you choose. Now, when you choose that, that's where you want to put this here. Okay, so let's, for example, put in, let's go with video test. Okay. Now, video test, you can leave this blank. Now, if you want to categorize it with another category, for example, design marketing, you can choose that here, or you can leave that blank. Now, you may go ahead, you can add a description to it. It's not, it won't default into it. Now, once you add your categories, you're gonna see them over on this area. Now, once you do add it in, you can quick edit, so you can edit the name of it. Okay, so we went ahead and we put in video test, and we're gonna add that category. Now, once we add it, you see it's right up on top right here. Now, how and what is that all about? Now, let's go back to your posts. Okay, so let's say, for example, we're going to take the test video category. I'm going to go into this particular post, this test video. Okay, I have a video here, and we're just going to preview it. So this is what the video looks like right now. There we go. So this is the test video here. Okay. Now, over on the side here are the categories. These are the categories that you chose when you were in the category section. Now, you can click on whichever category that you want it to be. Now, I'm going to put it into video test, meaning it's going to categorize any post that you do that you choose video test. Okay, it's going to put it on that category. And you can also add tags here, video games, and which I went ahead and did. Now, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and you're going to publish this page. Okay. If at any time you are adding in a post and you want to add a category that's not already existing, you can add that right here where it says add new category. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put new category. Oops. New category. And it'll add it. Okay. So you don't necessarily have to go back over to the category section here. You can go ahead and you can add it here. Okay. And it's going to automatically prompt it to be into that category. Okay. We're going to update that. Okay. And let's go over to the blog, and I'm going to refresh this page. Now, if you remember, where we put that at was over video test. So if I click onto video test here, and I go over to video test, it's going to pull up the blog post that I categorized as test video. Okay, it's going to put it there. Okay, now let's say I go over to new category. That's the new category that we added in. It's going to put it again in the new category. So you can link your post according to your category. Okay, so let's say, for example, I have other posts that I linked in, for example, design. So design, I have this post that I linked it to this particular category, which is design. So test design category. So it will determine where your posts are going to link. So it'll show what post is associated to that particular category. And you can add, change, delete. You can do anything that you want to do with these categories. Now, you can add a new category within the post, but if you need to change the name of the category, you do need to go back into your categories and you just quick edit. So you can edit that. Okay? So that is how you work with managing categories. And this concludes your tutorial video on how to manage categories.